I wanna see you. I wanna listen. What you say?
Hi, lol. It's the end of the month. That's why I need to reach like 5 star today. It's for product. Hi, Marty Marty. Yes, just double click here. That's all. Just click here, Marty. Hi, Kuba. Hi, Or. Hello. Thank you so much for dropping by. Alam ko super busy nyo. Gandang wala pang tulog. Yes, Marty, I can't reply yet. I will just reply here in my live. Marty Mart. Yes, just click here, Marty. Here. Request anything. Hi, Leonard. Yeah. Hi, Tony. Good evening. Thanks for the follow. Don't worry, I'll follow back. Thank you, chicken. Do you have more chicken? I need more chicken. Legit ba? You can ask here in comments if I'm legit. Hi, grrr. Dam yung grrr. Hi, Lucy. Godspeed, hello. Hi, Pugal. Hi, G. Hi, grrr. Good evening, grrr. Dam yung grrr. PB Works. Hi, G po. No, bawal Gcash. Because we need to quota today. Sa akin, pwede Gcash yan. Nagtatanong sila kung legit ba. Di ba legit ba o hindi? Hi, Spooky. Thank you sa follow. Na-follow din sa wakas. Hindi kasi namamansin ko. Hey, DBM, hello. UBM.
Ikot-ikot lang, wala nang mailan.
Thank you, Jack. Did you follow me na ba? Follow me back, please.
Nakalas na tayo sa uli, aminin ko pa. Kung bakit bigla lang nawala, kung ano mang bumabalik.
Thank you, Gr. Thank you so much, Grit.
Masita ay magkasama.
Thank you so much, Jack.
Ikot lang, wala nang mailan.
Thank you for the follow, Jack. Thank you, Leo. Yay, follow back. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jack. Road to 3-star, guys, please. I need to reach 3-star.
Manang panaginip, yuka.
Leo, that's a call. You can request. Just click here.
Like a plan, you're like a plan, and I'm like a plan.
Ano yan? Eh, parang kailangan pumili.
Got you off in my eyes, and I'm like a plan.
Wow, ang cute nun. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Legit ba? Thank you, BM. Thank you so much, BM.
So I'm
Roll to 3-star, guys, please. We need to reach 3 stars. Thank you, BM. Thank you so much.
so I'm like a plan.